So today I'd like to show you this ice making machine. So as you can see, it comes in like a beautiful like a blue color. So it has like a one handle right here, so it's much easier to transport it. In the front we've got buttons in here. I'm going to show you in a second up close. So here we've got add water, ice, full power, and on and off buttons. So super easy to use. All you have are literally 4 buttons, and of course manual comes along with it, just so you know what to do, like how to set it up. But it's literally as easy as turning on the power, plugging this one, putting water in, and then it's just like literally on and it's working and it's making your ice. So I think this one will be absolutely perfect, especially if you like to have drinks at home after work or on the weekends. And it should be pretty easy way to produce a lot of ice, especially if you need it for some sort of parties, or if you just like to add ice to some of your drinks, maybe even water. So I think, yeah, this one has great design. It's not super lightweight, so I would recommend to put it in one place and just put it there and leave it there. But of course it can be of course it is portable, but it's not like super light. So this ice maker, it has like design, like a whole design right here, just so it's not overheating. And so in here we've got, of course, like a scoop and a little like basket where your ice is going to go into. How you open it is exactly like this way, super easy. And according to the instructions, it should take like 6 minutes to produce to produce 9 ice cubes. So I think it's pretty fast. And it should like provide you with lots of ice cubes within a very short period of time. I'm just trying to take out the basket just so I can show you how it looks like on the bottom. So as you can see here, it says maximum, and that's how far water should go to. So it shouldn't be like up to this point, because then the device is not going to work correctly. As I was just looking around, I noticed this ice maker has like a film on it, so it's actually just like a stainless steel and not a blue color. So just keep that in mind in case you are just as confused as I am. So it's super easy to take off. Should just take like a minute or two, as you can see. And underneath we've got like a beautiful silver stainless steel, so that's how it's actually supposed to look like. Okay, so I've got my ice maker plugged in, and all I'm gonna have to do now is just to pour some water in here. Ideally that will be to the max level, so I'm just going to get some more water and fill it in. So as you can see, I've just filled it in up to the max level. I'm just going to put the basket right in, and all I'm gonna have to do now is just to turn it on. And as you can see, it's just starting to work. So I'm just going to leave it here for around 10 minutes and I'll show you the results. So it's finished. It's been around 10 minutes, so you can see how many of them we've got. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to take like a little scoop, just take a few of them right in. That's how they look like. They are like empty inside, and they've got this shape. And I'm just going to put few of them into my drink right here.